Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a side hustle and make some extra cash using TikTok, this video is for you. Today, I'm diving into 5 TikTok side hustles that you can start right now and sharing how much money I made from each. These are side hustles that are real, practical, and proven to work. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. We're talking about turning those viral trends and catchy sounds into cold, hard cash. Forget scrolling endlessly. It's time to make TikTok work for you. We're about to unlock the secrets to turning your likes and views into a profitable side hustle. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. It really helps the channel grow, and I'm always bringing you the best ways to make money online. Alright, let's kick things off with side hustle number 1, selling print-on-demand merchandise. Now, I'm not talking about setting up a whole factory in your basement. This is about leveraging the power of the internet and a little bit of creativity. First things first, you need to tap into the viral trends on TikTok. Remember that hilarious meme that had everyone laughing? That's your goldmine. I took that meme, whipped up a funny design using Canva, which is totally free by the way, and slapped it on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. Next up, I headed over to Redbubble and Teespring, 2 awesome platforms for print on demand. They handle all the printing, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on the fun stuff, making killer designs and promoting them. Now here's where TikTok comes in. Remember that trending meme I mentioned? I created a quick and funny TikTok video showcasing the design, used relevant hashtags, and boom, the algorithm did its thing. My video got thousands of views and people loved the design so much that they started buying like crazy. It was insane. I couldn't believe how much money I was making just from a simple design inspired by a trending meme. In just 1 month, I made a cool $400 from that one design alone. Not bad for a few hours of work, right? The best part is, it's totally scalable. Imagine creating multiple designs based on different trends. The earning potential is huge. Let's move on to side hustle number 2, affiliate marketing. Now this one's all about authenticity. TikTok is all about real people sharing real experiences, so forget about those sleazy sales pitches. That's not how we roll. Think about products or services you genuinely love and use. Maybe it's that awesome new tech gadget you can't stop raving about, or that online course that changed your life. Whatever it is, chances are there's an affiliate program for it. Affiliate marketing is basically recommending products you love to your audience and earning a commission for every sale you make through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital influencer, but with actual money coming in. I decided to review this cool new tech gadget I found. I'm talking about a portable Bluetooth speaker with amazing sound quality, perfect for TikTok dances or just chilling with friends. I signed up for the company's affiliate program, grabbed my unique link, and got to work. I created a TikTok video showcasing the speaker's features, highlighting its sleek design and powerful sound. But here's the key, I kept it real. I shared my genuine thoughts on the product, what I liked about it, and why I thought my audience would love it too. And guess what? People resonated with that authenticity. They saw how much I genuinely enjoyed using the speaker, and they trusted my recommendation. My video blew up and I was getting tons of clicks on my affiliate link. By the end of the month, I had made a whopping $700 in commissions just from that one product. The best part is, those commissions keep rolling in even after the initial sale, as long as people continue to purchase through your link. Selling stock footage. Alright, moving on to side hustle number 3, selling stock footage. Now this one might seem a little out there, but trust me, it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Think about all the videos you see online, ads, social media posts, websites, you name it. Most of them use stock footage, which means there's a huge demand for high-quality videos of everyday moments. The best part is, you don't need to be a professional filmmaker with fancy equipment. Your smartphone is your secret weapon. I'm talking about capturing simple, everyday moments in stunning 4K or HD quality. Think about it. A close-up of someone typing on a laptop, a bird's-eye view of a bustling city street, or even just a shot of waves crashing on the beach. These are all valuable pieces of stock footage that people are willing to pay for. I spent a weekend filming random things around my city, from street performers and bustling markets to serene parks and architectural details. I focused on capturing a variety of shots and angles, knowing that diversity is key in the stock footage world. Once I had a decent library of footage, I signed up for Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, 2 of the biggest players in the game. I uploaded my videos, tagged them with relevant keywords, and waited for the magic to happen. And guess what? The downloads started rolling in. People were buying my footage for all sorts of projects, websites, presentations, social media ads, you name it. It was amazing to see my everyday moments being used in so many different ways. By the end of the month, I had made a cool $500 from stock footage alone. The best part is, it's passive income. Once your footage is uploaded, it can keep earning you money for months or even years to come. Becoming a TikTok virtual assistant, your skills, their success. Let's talk about side hustle number 4. Becoming a virtual assistant, but not just any virtual assistant, a TikTok specialist. Businesses are scrambling to establish their presence on TikTok, and they need help navigating the ever-changing landscape of this platform. That's where you come in. If you're a TikTok whiz, you've got valuable skills that businesses are willing to pay for. Think about it. You understand the algorithm, you know how to create engaging content, and you can spot a trend from a mile away. I decided to offer my services as a TikTok VA, specializing in video editing and content planning. I created a simple website showcasing my skills and rates, and then I took to TikTok to promote my services. I posted videos sharing valuable TikTok tips like how to use trending sounds, create eye-catching transitions, and write engaging captions. Basically, I was giving away free value while subtly promoting my services as a TikTok VA. And guess what? It worked. Businesses saw my expertise and started reaching out, eager to hire me to manage their TikTok accounts. I landed 2 clients within the first month, both willing to pay a monthly retainer for my services. Now, I'm managing their TikTok accounts, creating engaging content, running ads, and analyzing data to optimize their performance. I'm basically their secret weapon for TikTok success, and they're happy to pay me for it. The best part is, I'm my own boss. I set my own hours, work from anywhere, and have the flexibility to take on as many or as few clients as I want. Plus, I'm constantly learning and evolving my TikTok skills, which keeps things interesting. From TikTok, newbie to TikTok guru, selling your knowledge online. Alright, let's wrap things up with side hustle number 5, selling an online course on TikTok growth. Now this one's for all you TikTok experts out there who are passionate about sharing your knowledge and helping others succeed. Think about it. You've spent countless hours mastering the art of TikTok, from cracking the algorithm to creating viral content. Why not package that knowledge into an online course and sell it to aspiring TikTokers? I decided to create a comprehensive online course teaching people everything I know about TikTok growth. I covered everything from setting up your profile and finding your niche to creating engaging content, using hashtags effectively, and running TikTok ads. I use platforms like Udemy and Gumroad to host and sell my course, making it easy for people to access and purchase. And of course, I leverage the power of TikTok to promote my course, sharing snippets of valuable information and directing people to the link in my bio. I created teasers for my course, highlighting the key takeaways and benefits of enrolling. I even offered a special discount for my TikTok followers, creating a sense of exclusivity and urgency. And guess what? People loved it. They were eager to learn from someone who had already achieved success on TikTok, and they appreciated the value I was providing in my course. The sales started rolling in, and I was blown away by the response. It was amazing to see how many people were eager to learn and grow their TikTok presence. It was truly a rewarding experience. Start your TikTok side hustle today. So after trying all 5 side hustles, I managed to make a total of $2,100. The most profitable were affiliate marketing and selling print-on-demand merch, but each hustle had its own unique benefits. The biggest takeaway here is that consistency is key. Don't try to do all 5 at once. Focus on 1 or 2 that you're passionate about and stick to them. Use the data you get from TikTok's analytics to tweak and improve your strategy. It's all about learning, experimenting, and scaling up over time. That's it for today's video. If you've ever tried any of these side hustles or are thinking about starting one, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I post new tips on making money online every week, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.